Turns out Edmund isn't the only one who loves Turkish Delight, so of course we had to make another video just in case Baron Zemo is watching. After all, it is irresistible. In a large pot, combine 4 cups of sugar with 1.5 cups of water, then turn the heat to high and bring up to a boil. Once boiling, turn the heat down slightly and continue cooking until the temperature reaches 240 Fahrenheit. Remove from the heat, and you can optionally very carefully strain into a jug for easy pouring later, and to remove any crystallized sugar that may have formed. Now pour 2 3/4 cups of water into a separate pot, then add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 1/4 cups of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Whisk this really well to ensure there are no lumps, then turn the heat on high and continue whisking constantly until the mixture thickens. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. At this point, you can start pouring in the sugar syrup gradually, making sure to mix in between each pour until it's all incorporated. Cook the mixture over medium heat for about 45 minutes, stirring occasionally until the color darkens slightly. Traditionally, lokum is flavored with rosewater, but since many don't like the taste, you can leave it out of your version. Instead, you might like to use some fruit extracts, like strawberry and orange, plus a little salt to enhance the flavors. The food coloring we added is also optional, but it definitely makes it pretty. Remove from the heat and pour half the mixture into a greased and lined 8x8-inch glass dish, then spread out to cover the bottom. You can now sprinkle on chopped nuts if desired. We went with pistachios, but walnuts or almonds would also be great. Then pour on the remaining mixture. Once it's spread out evenly, place in the fridge to chill for at least 1 hour or overnight. After it's chilled, combine powdered sugar and cornstarch in a large bowl. Turkish Delight is sticky stuff, so this is going to help you cut and handle it. Sprinkle a couple scoops of the mixture onto the chilled lokum and spread out to cover the top. Now for the moment of truth. If made correctly, the Turkish Delight should slowly fall right out of the dish when flipped over. If this doesn't happen, don't worry though. You can use a knife to cut around the edges and help coax it out. Sprinkle with more sugar and cornstarch, then cut into small pieces using a knife also dusted with the mixture. Be very liberal with the sugar and cornstarch is basically what I'm saying here. You don't want the Turkish Delight sticking to your cutting board or knife. Once sliced, toss the pieces in the remaining cornstarch and sugar, then you're ready to serve and live out your Narnia or Falcon and the Winter Soldier fantasies. Click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.